So we receive it from Unior. So it's two boxes, and let's check the first box. Boom. Chain whips, chain measurement tool with the sprocket tool, lock ring for the chain ring, chain breaker, cassette and BB tool. Yeah. All right, mostly complete. So let's try to make this good. Right. Yep. This is the first one. Let's check the second one. The second box. Boom. This is what I like. What's this? No idea what is this, but we'll find out. This is for the hanger alignment tool and crank. Same as this one. This is what I like, guys, this one with the bottom bracket. Oh, nice. This is very nice. Yeah. Wow, proper. Yeah, thank you very much. And this is for the headset cup and bearings. Ah, it's a bottom bracket, by the way, sorry. For the bottom bracket. This is all part for the bottom bracket. Yeah. Alright, thank you very much. World class whoopies. Yeah. That's it. Peace.